What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Mike Dyke. I'm a master plumber and HVAC contractor in the states of Florida, South Carolina, and New York. Today we're in Bayshore on Long Island in the great state of New York. We're taking out this HTP indirect domestic water heater. Unfortunately, after only about 10 years of use, this thing started leaking and raising the boiler water pressure. And they had a few options. We could have went with another indirect. We could have went with a standalone power vented tank style water heater or a tankless water heater. There's a lot of choices out there. You can do a hybrid, you can do an electric, natural gas. But because Lochinvar just introduced their brand new XCalibur with X3 technology, which allows a homeowner never have to worry about descaling their system ever, they went with the Lochinvar. Here's the install of it. All right, we got this HTP SSU 45 indirect fired domestic water heater. It's piped in off the bottom of the steam boiler, and the tank failed, so domestic pressure is filling the boiler, and they have to drain the boiler 6-8 times a day. We're taking out the HTP, putting in the Lochinvar XCalibur 199 tankless water heater, putting it on the wall right there. We'll vent outside, drilling through that wall. Right now I'm draining. We're almost a little bit eighth of the way full in the sight glass. We're going to drain the boiler completely. We already got the power off. I'm going to start disconnecting the circulator and the line voltage going to the strap-on, the aquastat here. Let's see where this goes. This goes around to here inside this box. So let's get rid of that. We're just removing the line and the neutral that went to this. We're going to take that out, and then we'll disconnect the circulator. All right, so right now we're pumping down the domestic water from the indirect. We have all of the domestic water piping, the hot and cold, going to the indirect, that mixing valve, and the boiler feed, all cut out. They're using the mana block here by Viga for domestic water isolation to all the fixtures. So I have the domestic cold water going into the bottom off, and I didn't touch anything. I'll just open that up and cut the line, cut that line. Tank's just about empty. I'm going to drill a pile hole in that corner for our exhaust penetration, see where we end up outside. All right, so I had to drill up on a little bit of an angle, so I'm going to keep that into consideration when I poke my hole from outside in. We should be good. I'm just going to stay down about 1.5 inches outside, and that should put me on the same level where I need to be off this plate, and that way I can come out and drop down and pick up the indirect. And I may put the tankless. We may put it right here. That'd be pretty nice right there. Yeah, smack up against the chimney. All right, so there's my penetration outside. I'm gonna stay about 1.5 inches lower. I'm also gonna put the I call it the opener because this thing opens anything. I'm also gonna put the opener in reverse mode so we could not chew up the siding. So let's go that way. All right, let's just cut that back a little bit with the knife and keep going. Almost there. All right. There's the boiler. Sweet. See? 825. There's the new tankless, the Lochinvar XCalibur. Here's the indirect. There's Daniel.
That's crazy.
That's a lot of cocky. On domestic water too, no less.
Yeah, that's nuts.
We're gonna lift that indirect over this, I guess, abandoned in place washing machine. Over this dryer, no, over this washing machine, and over the dryer, and then to outside. Let's see if Daniel. Oh, really, you can't do it?
I'm lifting the tank.
Hercules, Hercules, Hercules. Damn. I still pay for your gym membership?
No.
No? You don't pay? You don't go there anymore? You canceled it?
Yeah.
How long ago did you cancel it?
A while ago.
No, they still charging you.
Me or Peter?
I don't know. Peter still goes?
Peter still has it.
Oh, okay. Cool. He has to work out for his girlfriend named Taylor. Can we talk about Taylor since he's not here?
I've never met her.
Oh, I saw a picture of her.
I need to.
Yeah.
I'll be meeting her the 15th, hopefully.
What's on the 15th?
We're going to the city to do something.
Oh, yeah? Axe throwing?
No.
No. 47th Street?
No.
Broadway show? No? Okay. You want the heavy side or the lighter side? I'll give you the lighter side.
Yeah, I'll take the lighter.
All right, so you go out first. We will, we're going to tilt it across, maybe get it on top of this wash machine, on top of that wash machine, and then we'll carry it out of here. At least that's the goal. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
We're going to feed the people. I know they're hungry. We're going to take this bad boy out of here. Okay. I'll give you the lighter side, even though it's probably all the same weight. Oh man, this thing's got some weight to it. Oh shit.
Not my side.
Oh yeah, my side does. Now I get a little dirty. Okay. We're gonna get chewed apart, by the way, on YouTube for not protecting the appliances that we're dragging us across them.
You showing the top of them already? Already disgusting.
I know. All right, here we go. Okay. What? Okay. Who? Will McLean? I don't think they ever will. All right. We got everything we need now to at least mount this on the wall. Yeah, see, I don't get this thing.
Stupid.
It is kind of dumb. See, this is their mounting bracket, which,
Let's see.
I don't know, it's kind of dumb.
Do we have a manual here?
There's a manual there. All right, there's our blank canvas. And the objective is to put this like somewhere here. Maybe right there. Yeah, I like that. There's our hole for combustion. Gas is going out. Daniel's right now installing the factory supplied and field installed temperature and pressure safety relief valve on the domestic hot water outlet side. We put on a female adapter. We're gonna connect to our PEX here. I'm gonna get a copper to PEX adapter, and we'll pick up the hot water, supplying the house with domestic hot water. The cold, I'm probably gonna take that elbow off. One of these doodads. Come across, drop down, pick up the copper for the boiler feed, and connect to domestic cold water inlet at the bottom. And then we have gas, plug and play. Easy peasy. All right, almost 10 after the hour here, and we got a lot accomplished. Domestic water is on. The gas is in. Got a nice little split ring hanger there holding up the the gas. We used the Vega Mega Press for gas because it's yellow. See? We have a 1 by 3/4 inch Mega Press gas T, a 90 split ring hanger with a nice little hanger there and a threaded rod, another 90, the gas cock, the union, the 3/4 by 1/2 inch T, the drip leg and the cap. Pretty awesome. We'll go over this a little bit more later. And really looks epic. I'm gonna go run to Lowe's. I need to get myself a caulking gun because it's missing off my truck. Haven't had it in like a month. Peter must have it in his pocket, right?
You could take mine.
No.
Because I have a new one.
You do? Is it a Milwaukee M12 caulking gun?
No. But it's a nicer one.
All right, so here I'm at Lowe's in Bayshore. They got freaking caulk, but no caulk guns. Oh, there they are. All right, 7 minutes after here, 11 here in the morning. We got the XCalibur Lochinvar with the X3 technology. This tankless water heater never, ever, ever has to be descaled. And what's inside this black canister right here never, ever, ever needs to be changed. Nothing. Absolutely never descale, never worry about descaling on this machine whatsoever. The only thing you need to worry about is make sure you're paying your gas bill, because once you have this in your home, you're going to be taking endless showers. Crazy. So this is the 199 model. They make a 110 and a 150. I could be mistaken, but I do. They make 3 models with the X3, made by Lochinvar. Beautiful machine, very, very nice. Our venting, the tapping on the top right, that's our exhaust. I got a 45, I got a 90, another 90 that's going straight outside with a little 45 with a screen that's provided from Lochinvar. My fresh air, 2 45s and a 90 bring me outside. I got nice separation outside. Existing domestic water, this is our cold water, our domestic hot water. They had some 3/4 packs coming in and out, and they're tied into the boiler. I just reconnected that. Gas piping, Mega Press G for gas. Like I said before, the 1 by 3/4 Mega Press gas T. We got a short piece of pipe here, the elbow, split ring hanger, another elbow, and then we did some threaded pipe work with the gas cock, the union nipple, 3/4 by 1/2 inch T, the nipple with the 3/4 drip leg, and the cap, the little nipple there, and the 90 going into the bottom of the unit. The bottom of the unit, this is my outlet side. They give you a 3/4 inch temperature and pressure relief valve. It goes right onto that tapping there. You take that cap off, threads right inside. I threw on a Vega 3/4 inch female adapter on both the inlet and the outlet side. And for condensate neutralizer and condensate removal, we got the Axiom, the NT1-P. This is the neutralizer component, the media, and then of course the pump to discharge all that condensate away. Beautiful, beautiful machine. Very, very nice. The opposite side, we have our more formal rating plate identifying the model number, category 4, voltage, natural gas, the minimum and the maximum input rate for gas. We have a 10-to-1, I believe it is, step down ratio. I could be mistaken. I believe it's 10-to-1. It could be 22-to-1. Actually, let me check this. Actually, shout out to Lochinvar. 22-to-1 turn down ratio. Amazing. I was wrong with the sizing. We have a 160, a 180, and a 199. Again, all these feature the X3 scale prevention technology. We got that heavy duty stainless steel heat exchanger design. And if you have to recirculate, we have a integrated recirculating pump with nice intuitive display. Beautiful. And I actually love this color. Usually get these tankless water heaters, they're like a white or an off-white color. This is beautiful. Look at that. Nice dark gray. You got the black sticker, XCalibur, Lochinvar. Beautiful. Look at that. And look, it's right on their website. Never descale again. We got patent pending technology on that X3 scale prevention. And this is integrated into the all X3 models. It's an optional accessory for the bypass manifold models, Model M. and it can be added at any other time. So biggest thing is no need to annually descale this machine ever. There's nothing to touch, nothing to worry about, and therefore this is going to extend the life expectancy of your machine up to 3 times. Beautiful, beautiful machine. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video on the Lochinvar installation of their XCalibur 199 model. What's pretty incredible about the folks over at Lochinvar is that they're an American company. And you see this thing right here? Look at the detail, if you can see that in the video. See that? You can even see little notches in the tires. Well, every day when they start up the cutting machines that cut the sheets of metal, right, they calibrate the machines by making miniature bicycles. Look at this. You see that? That is incredible. So when you buy a Lochinvar, you're buying quality. And with their X3 technology on their tankless water heaters, it's revolutionary. The biggest drawback with installing a tankless water heater instead of a traditional water heater is the increased maintenance by performing a descale on the machine on a regular basis, usually once a year. And any energy savings that you would have had is going to be spent on hiring a professional like a plumber to come in, unless you're mechanically inclined to do it yourself, but not anymore. The Lochinvar XCalibur, revolutionary. And that's why my company, Pipe Doctor Home Services, installs Lochinvar XCalibur tankless water heaters. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be well, God bless, stay safe.